what is, you know, the Sebastian Conran Associates studio style, I would say it's a neutral elegance. It's a sort of soft 21st century modernism. Cookware is my expertise, and I've been designing cookware for decades. You know, I'm always in the kitchen getting lots of ideas. It's like little frustrations that people take for granted, and I think, you can design your way out of this one, and you know, we can make this a better experience. What I've always wanted to do is combine something that's great looking with something that works really well. And we want these products to be enjoyable to use from a sensual point of view. At the same time, we've built in some functional innovations like the cook surface, which tilts up so you can clean it very easily. Having the surface all one flat area so you can move pans around. The original inspiration for the knobs on the cooker came from a day out with my son at an aircraft museum, and looking at the dashboard of a Spitfire and seeing this knob there, I just thought, well, what a sensible shape is designed to be used with someone with gloves on. And of course, when you're using a cooker, a lot of the time you've got gloves on or you've got wet and greasy hands. These knobs, as you can see, are made out of solid metal. They're not a bit of plastic with some tin foil covering them like you'd see on a lot of other products. And it was very important that all the materials were authentic. And you know, what we wanted to do with this range was to be different. We didn't just want to offer what everyone else has got. And you know, so we've injected a bit of colour and a bit of life into the products. I mean, the duck egg blue is one of my favourite colours, and it works particularly well in the kitchen. Well, if you ask me to summarise British design, I would say it's sort of playful pragmatism and products which can put a smile in your mind. They have charm to them, and they have a timeless quality to them. I can genuinely say that I learnt to cook on a baby billing when I was a student, and I've always had a sort of affection for the brand, and I really came to my attention because I met some of their design team through other projects we had been working on. You know, it clicked, and there was we found that we were very much talking the same language, and we had the same aspirations. I didn't have to explain why I wanted things the way I thought they should be. There was an empathy in the collaboration, and this is, I think, one of the reasons why it works is because they genuinely wanted something special and something different, and they didn't just want to follow the trend. Going up to the factory was interesting because they've got some fantastic machinery up there, and you know, they still use vitreous enamelling. It's not just some polyester powder. You know, you hear so much about, you know, the problem with British manufacturing is the management, but here, you know, it's a very well managed business with actually genuine visionary leading it, and I think they really do get it. I think what we're trying to achieve with Belling is traditional quality, contemporary design. That is the message. My favourite British dish is a boiled egg with hot buttered soldiers with a teeny bit of anchovy paste on.